everybody, it's Mike Freer here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. So today we're talking about DFARS, NIST SP 80171, and CMMC. What is a shared responsibility matrix? I mean, like, what on earth is that, and where did it come from? Let's find out. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all this DFARS, NIST SP 80171, and CMMC compliance stuff, I've got great news for you. You've found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it like a superhero. What is a shared responsibility matrix? Okay, so here's the scenario, okay? I'm ducking and diving like a superhero. So here's the scenario. You have your IT network, you have cloud solutions, and you have maybe a managed IT company who you outsource your technology to. Okay, an assessor comes in, whether that be DIBCAC or a CMMC assessor, and says, explain to me who is responsible for what when it comes to the processing, storage, and transmission of CUI. In this moment, you're going to really want a shared responsibility matrix, which clearly outlines who is responsible for what and what tells the assessor who is going to be answering their questions. Let's go more in depth on the specifics of CMMC and shared responsibility models and matrices, which in written form is often referred to as a shared responsibility matrix because of the format. Kind of looks like a grid. Pretty common sense, I guess. The shared responsibility matrix, or SRM, in the context of cybersecurity maturity model certification, or CMMC, refers to the division of responsibilities between customers and service providers when it comes to achieving CMMC compliance. The SRM helps define and document the specific obligations and responsibilities of each party regarding security controls and compliance measures. Now, in the case of CMMC, the Department of Defense, contractors, and organizations handling sensitive data on behalf of the DoD are required to establish a shared responsibility model when using external service providers. The SRM outlines the responsibilities for implementing and managing security controls, ensuring compliance with CMMC requirements, and protecting controlled unclassified information, or CUI. Now, the SRM also identifies the person or team responsible for each security control, and these responsibilities need to be agreed upon and reflected in contracts or service level agreements, or SLAs. The SRM helps clarify the distribution of responsibilities, ensuring that both the customer and the service provider understand their roles in achieving and maintaining CMMC compliance. It's important to note that the specific details of the shared responsibility matrix can vary greatly depending on the organization and the service provider involved. The SRM should be customized to address the unique requirements of the CMMC framework and the specific needs of the organization seeking compliance. Now, if you need help with developing this kind of documentation, or your head is, just spinning out of control right now, here's the good news. We can help you every time we work with a client. We take care of this for them based on their own unique scenario. So we create the shared responsibility matrix. So again, if you need help with that, the good news is at On-Call, we take defense contractors just like you who've had this DFARS, NIST, SP 80171, and CMMC, or even ITAR and EAR, information security compliance stuff, dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day, and we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now, that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the description below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. And I'll see you on the next one. All right.